So class, now we will continue with our next topic, that is multiplication of algebraic expression. First one is multiplication of two monomials. Here we will learn how to multiply two monomials. Monomials matlab the expression having only one term is known as monomial. Okay. Then how to perform product of two monomials? Product of their coefficient, numerical coefficient, that means जो भी नंबर होगा उसके वेरिएबल के आगे उसको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर वेरिएबल पार्ट्स. ओके. कोई भी एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन जो भी फॉर्म होता है वो क्या कंटेन करता है, एक उसका कोफिशिएंट पार्ट होगा और नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज वेरिएबल पार्ट. वेरिएबल मीन्स unknown number, unknown terms present in given algebraic expression is known as variable. Question number 1 is find the product of 6xy. Here you can see 6xy, this is monomial, and minus 3x square y square. You have to multiply these two monomials. So what is the first step? You have to multiply their numerical coefficient, that is 6 is multiplied with minus 3 and xy is multiplied with x square y cube. So when 6 is multiplied with minus 3, what we get? Minus 18. And x is multiplied with x square, then it will give x ki power 3. And y is multiplied with y ki power 3, it will give y ki power 4. Now we will see how multiplication of polynomial by a monomial. Polynomials means an algebraic expression having more than वन टर्म, दैट इज नोन एज पॉलिनोमियल. अब पॉलिनोमियल का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हम देखेंगे किसके साथ? मोनोमियल के साथ. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स. हियर 5a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर इज मल्टीप्लाइड विद 3a स्क्वायर माइनस 4ab प्लस 6b स्क्वायर. First let's see 5a square b square is a monomial. Monomial is multiplied with polynomial. How you can say polynomial? Because it is having more than one term. First term, second term and third term. First you have to multiply 5a square b square with 3a square. 5a square b square को किससे multiply करना है? 3a square से. Then their coefficient is multiplied first 5 into 3, and after that variable part are multiplied. A square is multiplied with a square, it will give a ki power 4 and b square will remain as it is. Then 5a square b square is multiplied with 4ab minus 4ab. 5 4s are 20 minus 20, and a square is multiplied with a, it will give a cube, and b square is multiplied with b, it will give b cube. Next 5a square b square is multiplied with 6b square, then it will give 5 6 are 30, a square b ki power 4. Clear? So this is the product of polynomial with a monomial. Next one is multiplication of two binomials. दो binomials mean a algebraic expression having two terms, first term and second term. This is also having two terms, first term and second term. So when we multiply two monomial, what we get? We simply multiply 3x with 5x minus 7y. See here, 3x is multiplied with 5x minus 7y, and 5y is multiplied with 5x minus 7y. Remember the sign, here the plus 5y is written, so plus 5y is written over here. Then we have to simply multiply their coefficient. 3 is multiplied with 5 will give 15, and x is multiplied with x will give x square. Similarly 3x is multiplied with minus 7y, it will give minus 21 xy, and 5y is multiplied with 5x, it will give 25xy, and 5y is multiplied with minus 7y, it will give minus 35y square, and 15x square minus plus 4xy minus 35. This is the final result. This is how we do multiplication of two binomials. Binomials means a algebraic expression having two terms. Clear? Next, I have solved some of the questions from exercise 6b. Kindly go through it, and the remaining question you have to solve it in homework. See question number 1. Question number 1, you have to find the product of these two binomials. binomials means a algebraic expression having two terms, 5x plus 7. First term is 5x and second term is 7. 3x plus 4. First term is 3x and second term is 4. Then 5x is first multiplied with this whole term and 7 is multiplied with 3x plus 4. What we get? 15x square. 5x and 3x is multiplied. 15x square. And 5x is multiplied with 4, 20x. 7 is multiplied with 3x, 21x. And 7 is multiplied with 4, 28. 20x and 21x will be added because they are like terms. It will give 41x, and 15x square plus 41x plus 28 is the final answer. Now see question number 10th. Question number 10th is, here also two more binomials are multiplied together. What are the binomials? 3p square plus q square is multiplied with 2p square minus 3q square. What is the next step? 3p square. 3p square is multiplied with 2p square minus 3q square, and plus q square is multiplied with 2p square minus 3q square. So in the next step you have to simply multiply the 3 is multiplied with 2, it will give 6. P square is multiplied with p square, it will give p की power 4, and minus 9. Here 3p square is multiplied with 3q square, it will give minus 9p square q square. Similarly q square is multiplied with 2p square, it will give 2p square q square. And last one, q square is multiplied with minus 3q square, it will give minus 3q की power 4. And this is the final answer. In the middle term will be added, we will get minus 7p square q square. This is the final result. Similarly you can see x square minus 3x plus 7 is multiplied with a binomial. Binomial means two terms. So first 2x is multiplied with this whole expression and 3 is multiplied with this whole expression. After solving you will get the answer. Question number 23rd. There is a trinomial. Trinomial means expression having three terms. Here also a trinomial means expression having three terms. Individually you have to perform multiplication. First this term is multiplied with this whole expression, then minus y is multiplied with this whole expression, and then 2 is multiplied with this whole expression. After solving and simplifying you will get this 3x square minus xy plus 2x plus 8y minus 2y square minus 8 as final answer. So this is the completion of exercise 6b. Remaining question you have to solve it by yourself in homework and send it to me on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.